Hey guys, welcome back, and today I will be showing you guys how to listen to music during school or when you're at home doing homework or anything that you want to listen to music and your school won't let you. So what you need to do is look up iHeartRadio. My iHeartRadio is blocked. I'm doing this on my home computer because I don't have my school, but it's blocked for me, and this should work for everyone. It should work for everyone that has Google Sites unblocked. My school has it unblocked. I don't know why, but it just is. So, you on iHeartRadio, you want to insert a link. It's up here. I don't know why I went down there. And then I typed it in like that, so then it wouldn't pull it to. Nope. I know that's unblocked, but you want to just click and drag right here. Copy that. Paste it. And this works for, like, if you want to do other games. I know lots of games do this, but not all. Like, I don't think Spotify does this, but I can test it right now if you want me to. So you do the whole page. Let's see. I don't have Spotify Premium, but I don't use that because I have a different thing. See, you just preview. You can't do the previews. All right, so after you do this, you want to I'll have to publish mine and then view it.
You're gonna put my bike in the back of your trunk then.
And then you have to preview it.
I'm gonna put my bike in the back of your trunk.
So it will ask you to sign in. It did let me sign in on my computer, school Chromebook, I mean. So it might not for you guys, but I don't know. So you want to click live radio. Or you guys can like make your own playlist, I think. I know iHeartRadio has all kinds. Yeah, I saw a playlist. All right. So after you get something like this, let me turn my sound down so it doesn't get copyright. You want to share it. Hopefully this works because I was trying to do it earlier. I know this right here. Share.
Let me get in.
No, you don't want to share this. So X.
Who cares? Go.
You might have to be playing the song.
Yeah. No, I need it now.
Biggest fear was losing my independence.
Right here's a little short advertisement.
Oh my God, I can't even get on my.
Okay, now you want to share. Or is it not going to let me? Oh, I just clicked another thing. It's a little bit slow, but after you get it done, it actually works really nice.
Okay, so you're in serious trouble and you need my help. Okay.
Alright, right here. I'm going to do the share right here. As long as you find a share button. Then you want to do the enable widget. Control C that. Oh, that's why. Wait, I don't think you have to sign in. I'm going to try doing this for the people that can't sign in. Alright. You want to copy that, Control C. And then go back to your website. X out of this. And then what I did is if you add text box. We'll just delete this. You don't need that anymore. Add text box, and then I just go 5. And I think that's 5 or 6. After you do that many, so then when your teacher pulls the screen up, all she sees is like this outline, and then maybe she can go down a little bit, but hopefully she can't go down all the way. Then enable it, and then do the code. Control V, and then it will pop up like that, something like that. And it really won't pop up, but then when you go to preview, this little like widget thing pops up. And this works with like I actually did do a playlist. You can do playlist, you can do live stations, and just click play and it will connect to like the server.
Oh my god, I just got thrown off my bike.
Come bearing good news as well. Trojan bearskin.
Right now it's playing for me, and then you can just stop it. The cool part is it will be down in like the little time button. I don't think you can see my screen, but I'll be showing you like I'm showing you right now. I don't think so. But you can click on that and then just play it, pause it without even going on that screen. But when you are playing the music, make sure to slide up and don't name it music because that's just obvious. You can put a teacher's name or homework, something like that. That's what I did. And haven't got really talked like said don't be listening to music or anything, but make sure you guys like and subscribe. I have a new website I want you guys to check out. It's this website right here, and there's like a request page. There we go. If you want a video request, all you have to do is fill out like what the video should be about, what it should be, like what should I do in the video, and then if you want a shout out or not, because like if I'm giving you credit for this video if you tell me what to do in it. So I'll do those. I'll shout out your channel or shout out your name. And then I have this little music tab. I'll probably add a few more of those. But make sure you guys like. It really helps if you want to share the video. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Not by the end of the year, but just get 100 subscribers and then go on from there. I want you guys to like and subscribe. Turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. I upload all kinds of videos about Chromebooks, and I might do some unboxing videos that I got for Christmas. Just subscribe. Thanks for watching.